Hi there. In this lesson, I'm going to show how you can count characters, words in Google Slides, spreadsheet, and Google Docs. Start with Google Slides. In Google Slides, the word count feature does not working. So to count characters and words, I'm going to install one extension which name is counting characters. Search here for counting characters and press enter. Now you can install it. I have already installed it my computer. Okay. After install, close it and go to Google Slides. Now select the content that you want to count. Suppose I want to count this paragraph. Select all and press CTRL+C to copy and go here, press the extension icon and paste it. Now you can see the total words, which is 36, and the total characters is 211. So now next is Google Docs. Google Docs also does not support word count feature. So do the same thing to count word in Google Spreadsheet. Double click on cell that you want to count, press CTRL+A to select all and click right button and go here, this option, press on it, count selected text. Now you can see the total words and total characters. This feature also of the counting characters extension. You can also copy, CTRL+C, copy it and count from here. Paste here. You will get the same result, 2 words and 11 characters. Now going to go to Google Docs. In Google Docs, you can count characters and words by the two ways. The one way is the same by Google Form extension, which is counting characters, and the second option is that select all the content and go to tools, press on it, then click word count. You will get the total words, which is 91 and character is 574. You can also use the shortcut of it. Select content and press CTRL+SHIFT+C. 2 words. If you don't have the Chrome browser, so you can go through the extensions website, which is countingcharacters.com. To count characters, you can write here, hi there. So you can get the real-time results here, and there are few more tools which you can browse, like website word counter, find and replace, and so many. So go to counting characters and browse tools and enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. Have a happy day.